the 95 and head down Ray. Pray for my people, let them know it's okay. Taking all this chips off my shoulder while I lay my head down. What's going on, guys? You guys know who I'm with, man. With my boy Stanley.
The Lurag Master.
The Lurag Master, man. You feel me? The waves coming in, though. Ooh, okay. Yes, sir. Hey. But yeah, I'm about to do some pictures for Stanley, man. We about to get this going. We about to really get this going, you know. About to get this man right. Feel me? He got some of the stuff down here. Okay. Keep the drip though. Keep the drip on my dude, man.
Give me some.
You feel me?
Give me some for you.
Yeah. Oh my God! How about you, man?
You know, it ain't really nothing.
Man, it's just something light.
Just something light.
Yeah, man. But we about to do some pictures. I'm about to get this man right. I need some pictures done for his you know, his Lurag company. So yeah, we about to do this, man.
Yep.
It's all good. Detail in there. It's like butterfly effect. That one that you got in your head right now?
Yeah.
Yeah. But yeah, man. If you guys don't know where this is, some of you guys know where this is, man. This nostalgia. Forest Glen Park. Forest Glen Park, dog. This spot here brings back so much memories. Way too much memories. Way too many memories. It's beautiful too, man. Like, look at this. Yo, you guys should get out of your zone and just come to places like this, man. That's just like free and open. And just meditate.
Boy, if you don't
meditate, be free, man. Cause I'm enjoying this. This is nice. The grass is actually greener on this side. Boy looking rough. Oh, I still got a little tape or something, you know. But yeah, I'm picking up my food right now. Damn, this girl bad. You got a good one. Every morning, dog. Every morning. The grind don't stop, man. The grind does not stop. I want it as bad, bro. I want it bad, dog. I want it really bad. I want it really bad, dog. I just came from the gym. And then, you know, I did my little cardio, everything. I did my ab workout. And then the last thing I did was a treadmill. But I stopped midway through because I was like, hey, I could just do that out here.
So I see you're watching my video and you aren't subscribed. Now can you tell me why you aren't subscribed to my channel? I'm waiting. I thought so. I think it's time that you subscribe, or else.
Exactly how I like my women. What's good, guys? Hey, it's a new day. I just pulled up to my cousin's house, man. We about to go to the gun range. We about to have some fun, man. This is my first time ever going to the gun range. She's been there multiple times, so you know she could show me a little something, you know, and teach me how to do some stuff, man. I'm excited, man. I'm not gonna lie. Something different, bro. Cause you know it, man. Like Friday, man. My pops always said, keep that hand up. You feel me? Like
growing up, this was all the protection we needed.
this should be fun, though. It should be fun. So we about to see what's up. What's up, Tribal? Yeah, getting ready. Getting right.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute.
What's good, guys? If you made it this far, you're a real one. I can't even talk. You're a real,
That
you are a real one for making it this far. You know, I try to do little funny things and stuff like that for, you know, the videos and all that. Man. So I do appreciate you guys for taking the time to, you know, watch my videos. If you're subscribed, thank you for subscribing. If you're not subscribed, please take the time to just subscribe, man. It doesn't cost anything to subscribe, so just go ahead and do that for me. But yeah, thank you, man. Thank you, for real. Thank you, guys. I really appreciate it, and I just want to continue to make vlogs and make it funny for you guys, man. Make it real interesting. So, hey, man, stop procrastinating and live life to the fullest.